Would you like to connect with your guardian angels? Join me, the angels, your guardian angels, and Celestite or Celestine, one of the many different crystals, minerals, and stones that can help you connect with your angels. This is going to be a guided meditation, so get ready, if you will, and come along on this journey with me and your angels. So you may want to, give you a few things to prepare for, as I'm already connecting a bit. So please forgive if I'm stumbling or when I stumble over my words. You can ask for a message when you meet your guardian angel, and we will give you a few moments during the meditation to actually, receive the message. Have a notebook or a piece of paper and something to write with, some water to drink right after this guided meditation. And please know, most do receive something during the meditation or immediately after. If you don't, it's okay. It will come to you. It will. And you can return to this guided meditation anytime you like. Right. Anytime you, after the meditation, just write whatever comes to you, all of it. Please don't second guess or censor yourself. Just write it all out and allow it to process and assimilate in your mind, and go about your day regardless of what it is you received or what you didn't in the moment. Okay, just be open to how the message or the angels, your guardian angels, come to you. All right, so sit in your favorite position, your favorite spot, feet flat on the ground or lotus position, whichever you choose. And if you have celestite, then go and get that. If you don't, I'm going to hold this up so y'all can connect with it, and you can connect with mine. This piece, this beautiful piece, is one of my celestite geodes, a small one, and it is from Madagascar. So a little bit about the celestite while you're getting settled and whatnot. It is a very high vibration. It is heavy because it's a geode, or it comes from one. You can kind of see the edges here a bit. The high vibration helps with your third eye, which, when cleared, helps to raise your vibration, and you can hold it to your throat chakra because it's blue for emotional healing and throat chakra clearing as well. You could, with both hands, because it is heavy, hold it to your third eye. And I would hold it, with, this is the back end or the matrix. I would hold that because the points draw in energy, and at the same time they project energy, and third eye doesn't need a lot of energy to be connecting. So that's like so. Like, so you could even hold it to your heart. So I don't know if you can see that from where we are at this time, but I'm going to hold it up here for y'all so that you can connect with it. If you would, breathe in, and breathe out. Just drop your shoulders and relax. Listen to the sound of our voice and the energy that comes through. Breathe in, breathe out. Drop your shoulders and allow your mind, your heart, your higher self, and your crown chakra to open. Imagine, if you will, that you are in a beautiful garden, and the archway, the garden gate, is a beautiful archway that has so many beautiful vines and flowers. There are butterflies floating around, birds singing, and you hear the sound, the soft trickle of water. You go through the garden gate and there's this beautiful, beautiful garden. Your favorite flowers, all different colors of pinks, white, yellow, orange, purple, blues, all the colors. Imagine Celestite, the Celestine, to be helping you to raise your vibration to clear your inner vision while you are walking further and deeper into this beautiful garden. To your left is a table with two chairs, and there is a fountain that is just making this beautiful melodic sound of water just flowing very gently and quietly with its own music. And to your right is an arched bridge. You are on one side of the bridge, and at the far end of the bridge is one of your guardian angels. The bridge is over a little stream, so you have two sounds of water just very gently flowing, gurgling, and moving along. As you start to walk across the bridge very slowly, just taking your time, and your guardian angel is matching your pace. You got a little bit closer, a little closer, closer still. Breathe in and breathe out. You are now just an arm's width away from your guardian angel. What color are the robes that your guardian angel is wearing? Is your guardian angel male or female or androgynous? What color eyes? The color of your guardian angel's hair. Just take a deep breath, beautiful soul. Just breathe in and breathe out. Feel the warmth and the love, the support and acceptance, the protection, the energies from your guardian angel. You may place a hand on your heart and a hand on your guardian angel's heart. The guardian angel is placing a hand on his or her heart and his or her other hand on your heart next to your hand. Feel the gentle, compassionate love energy flowing between you. Be as open as you are comfortable, maybe a tiny bit more. This is unconditional love, unconditional support, unconditional acceptance for all you are and all you are not. You may ask your guardian angel his or her name, and if he or she has a message for you, be in the silence in this moment. Allow the answer, the message, the name to come to you. Breathe in and breathe out. You both now lower your arms. You may hold hands for a few moments if you wish. Please thank your guardian angel for all he or she has gifted you with in this moment. Breathe in and breathe out. Begin to return to where you began on this beautiful arched bridge in this beautiful garden. Your guardian angel turns and does the same back to where he or she started on the other side of the arched bridge. As you are coming to the bottom of the bridge, you begin to notice even more. The colors are more vibrant. The birds are singing. There are more animals like bunny rabbits and squirrels, more butterflies, maybe even a kitty cat or a puppy dog, chipmunks, hedgehogs, maybe a deer. You are walking towards the gate that you entered. Remember everything you have seen, everything you have felt, everything you have heard. Be in the moment. Start to return into your body and write everything you remember, all of it. How it felt to be there with your angel, what you saw, the colors, the animals, everything. Until next time, beautiful soul, please remember you are loved and treasured beyond measure.